Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Imagine one day you wake up, and everything is floating, your bed, your chair, even you. That's because gravity has disappeared. But what exactly is gravity, and why is it so important? In today's video, we're going to explore what would happen if gravity suddenly vanished and how it affects everything around us. What is gravity? Gravity is a force that pulls everything toward the center of the Earth. It's what makes things fall when you drop them and what keeps us from floating into space. Without gravity, there wouldn't be any weight. We'd all just float around like astronauts on the International Space Station. What would happen to us without gravity? Now imagine no gravity on Earth. You would float everywhere, but that's not as fun as it sounds. Without gravity pulling blood to your feet, it would all rush to your head, making you feel dizzy. You would also lose muscle and bone strength because your body wouldn't have to work as hard to move around. Over time, living without gravity could make us very unhealthy. What would happen to Earth? It's not just humans that would be affected. Without gravity, everything on Earth would start flying off into space. The oceans, the air we breathe, and even buildings and mountains would no longer stay in place. Gravity is what holds everything together, and without it, our planet would turn into a big, floating mess. Could we survive in space without gravity? In space, astronauts live without gravity, but they use special machines to stay healthy. For example, they exercise a lot to keep their muscles strong. But even then, it's not easy. If we ever wanted to live on another planet, we would need to create artificial gravity, like in the movies, so our bodies could handle it. So, can we live without gravity? Not really. Gravity is what keeps our world working the way it should. It helps us walk, keeps everything in place, and even keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Isn't it amazing how something we can't even see is so important? If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.